Thomas Hill, President and CEO of CD Technology, with this week's question and answer. What should I do if my business gets hacked? First, don't panic. Here's exactly what to do if you suspect a breach. 1. Disconnect the infected device from the internet. That stops the spread. But don't turn it off. 2. Document everything. Error messages, screenshots, what you were doing when it happened. 3. Call your IT support team immediately. 4. Do not reboot the device. That could erase key forensic data. 5. Call your cyber insurance provider to start the claims process. But the best response starts before a breach happens. Keep a printed copy of emergency contacts. Store cyber insurance policy details securely. Know how to verify your backups. Document who has access to what. Maintain a written incident response plan. This is how you protect your business, your clients, and your reputation when disaster strikes. Want help building your breach response plan? We are here to help. CD Technology, East Tennessee's trusted IT partner for over 25 years. 86590976606.